Dear humanity.
Dear humanity.
Dear humanity.
Dear humanity.
Kür firar.
Dear humanity, salam.
You have grown so much since you first opened your eyes and gazed upon my blue skies.
I love you, my children. Remember that. But I do have some quarrels with you.
I hope you know that I am hurting. I've watched myself crumble for your comfort.
I often wondered what would be different if you held yourself as not superior to others, but an equal.
Lifetime is small, but your pride is great.
Climate change and animal extinction are only a couple things humans have managed to indulge in.
In the millions of years that we have spent together, not once have I asked for your aid out of greed.
When the rivers are too polluted to drink, when the forests are so small we are out of wood, and when the air is so polluted you can't breathe.
Recall the vast varieties of foliage that adorned our forests like decorations.
You have dried my waters, warmed my ice caps, and drained my soil of nutrients. You have dumped the rejects of your experiments into my waters and onto my land until I grow weak with the unbreakable burden.
Right now, just the moment that you're reading this, glaciers and snow covers are shrinking.
I give you air, the oxygen that fills your lungs and gives you life.
The animals that run across my green mountains and valleys.
You watch my ice caps collapse and my rainforests sink into farmland.
Deforestation as far as the eye can see, and greedy corporations seeking to take my gifts and use them for their own selfish demands.
You have tamed me alongside the wild beasts that run across the roads you have paved over my belly.
But if you're not helping me, it wouldn't be long after when everything, Amazons, glaciers, polar bears, the monarch butterfly, green sea turtle, everything that you love will be gone.
It is time to think about your impact on the earth.
You all need to wake up. Not just a few of you, all of you. You're in a crisis.
I know that the woods are the place that you go to get away from the crazy life you've built for us.
Sometimes I feel like we don't understand each other.
My roots extend far beneath the surface you inhabit, and my core is deeper than the ocean.
You did not know the true costs at first, but that is no longer a valid excuse.
Acts of war are being taken against the planet.
I hate that I have to write a letter like this in a time as desperate as now.
But there could still be time to right your wrongs.
Use your voices to save what is left and hopefully restore my beautiful creations to what they were supposed to be.
When the soil dries up and the air thickens with pollution, what will you have then?
Spreading awareness and taking action is needed as soon as possible in order for humanity to continue to prosper on this wonderful planet we call Earth.
We need to create a safe environment for the future generations to thrive in, a healthy environment for wildlife and humans to coexist in.
You are finding love. I want you to include some things in that circle of love. The animals who walk the earth without intention to harm or overpower you. The trees that need to stand tall so you can breathe. The oceans, lakes, and rivers that sit still to relax you and crash waves for your amusement.
Treat others how you want to be treated and stop judging each other.
You were made to love and explore and laugh and scream and cry and exist among every beautiful thing there is.
Remember how I love you and have cared for you since the dawn of time. It is now that I need your care. I need your love.
Be kind. Do your part while I do mine.
یک نفس عمیق بگیر و درختی که خوش داری را بکار. Take a deep breath and plant your favorite tree.
Find comfort in the nature that surrounds you.
Breathe in my air as often as you can.
Stop treating the world like a playground. There's no dusting knees and getting back up again. There's no shaking it off.
It will not be easy, my children. Whenever you feel discouraged, remember what once was.
I can see you trying, but it's not enough. Make the decision to protect your future, to protect your children, to protect yourself.
However, you still have time to win back my love, my appreciation, my trust, if you decide to wake up.
It is not for me you need worry, but yourself, your own kind.
When waves crash over houses and the temperatures rise, is that when you'll start caring?
I know that many of you know what's happening and what's to come, and that you are trying to provoke change. Please don't stop. You are doing vital work and are doing a good job.
It's not selfish to want change, to ask the same of you as you of me.
We have to work as a team so that we can all.
But above all, remember to love. Love yourself and everything around you. If we can come together and realize how cosmically and terrestrially intertwined we are, we will find that hope still exists.
I really hope that you will hear me as you will set your priorities correctly.
I thank you for your bravery and determination to protect me, especially in the times we're living in now, times of crisis and calamity.
I am still here for you.
But your goal is to save the composition of this world.
Love.
Love.
Your Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
Love Mother Nature.
Planet Earth.
Planet Earth. Planet Earth.
Planet Earth.